I like to double pat my food, but that's just me.
You double pat's your show.
Hi, my name's Heaven and I'm the owner of the Bodhi restaurant, and I am here today with Bhavani, who's the owner of the Green Line, and we are going to be cooking a dish that she's going to show us how to make.
Yeah, so we're going to do a cucumber salad with a potato latke, and they are traditionally Jewish dishes.
Perfect.
And yeah, something that my grandfather used to make, so I'm very excited to make it today. So we need to slice the cucumber nice and thinly. So we'll just stick those in the bowl and salt them. And then they get set aside for 1 hour. Okay, so now we have here some sweet paprika, sugar, some garlic and some more salt. Into it, I'll put this white wine vinegar into there, and you can pop the water in. You just want to give this a stir until everything dissolves. What we need to do before we marinate is we need to tip the water off and wash them through a colander. And now what we need to do is put this marinade on. And then this just needs to sit in the fridge for 2 hours and it's ready to eat. Now we're going to make our potato pancakes or potato latke. So if you want to have a go at grating those. And now what we need to do is we need to get the excess water out. We need to pat it down and just give it a squeeze.
Get all of that moisture out.
Get all the moisture out, yes. We're going to add in all of our ingredients. So in the ingredients, we have all-purpose flour, plain flour. We have some corn flour, which helps to bind. Oh, sorry, that was baking soda. This is corn flour. Salt and pepper, some plant milk.
Okay. Do you have a preference for the type of plant milk you like to use?
I'm a soy person because it's creamier.
Okay.
Some green onion, plant-based cheese. And then I'm going to get you to chop up a little bit of dill for me. The important thing with this dish is to mix it really well.
I love the smell of dill, especially when it's fresh from the garden.
You really want to give it a nice stir. You'll see if you have a go at stirring, you'll see it binding more and more as the gluten activates from the flour.
I feel it starting to kind of come together a little
Yeah.
bit. So about this much?
Yep, just drop it in and just pat it down so it's nice and thin. I feel like it's never golden brown enough. I could just keep flipping because you just really want that crispiness.
No, this looks delicious.
Yeah. We'll put our cucumber on the side. You can even have this on the side for people to help themselves. A little bit more dill on top.
So you're just going to pull that on top?
Yeah, just put a little bit of dill on, even in there. A bit of this paprika.
This looks delicious.
There we go.
Perfect. Voila. Thank you. That's
Thanks,
gorgeous.
Heaven.
I love it. Can't wait to eat it.